The unbendable bar, bodybuilders or construction workers? First up, 50 kgs. Trey? Are you really struggling? Oh. Jonathan, Mr. Big Hands. Is that hard?
You gotta make it look like it's a little challenge.
60 kgs. Come on, Trey. Come on, Trey. Okay. Let's see. Okay, that was easy. 80 kgs. Let's go! Use your lats. Use your lats. Yeah, come on. Come on. Kind of worried for you, man. Oh, that was easy. The golden bar. 100 solid gold kgs. Oh, no! Oh, let's see what happens. Do it. Make it pay. No. Oh my God. No! I'm not kidding. The world's strongest man, Mitchell Hooper, couldn't do that. Full competition. Click here.